I'm Oscar. I work here at TR Wurster. I'm the lead painter as far as anything that goes down with paint, drywall, cabinetry. Today, we're on site at a very special project. We are throwing down fine paints of Europe. We are now in our final stage of paint. We have gone through, meticulously sanded everything. We're now on the stage where we're gonna start going through and vacuuming everything up, trying to get all the specks of dirt, sandpaper, anything that might be in them, cleaning through them thoroughly 2 to 3 times, getting ready to go into our final and second coat of paint. All right, guys, so this is where the magic happens. This is where we come in and lay down our final coats. And here's where we end up having to do our spraying. We stick to our spraying on this side of the booth because the way this works out is we have a positive pressure booth where we have clean air coming through this, moving through this way. And then on top of that, we have 2 air scrubbers here, just help pulling all of the overspray, any contaminants that might be in the air, in and out of the booth.